wife seems to think I'm getting a positive reputation out there. I have in my possession at the moment a Washburn M3E, and it's an acoustic electric. A fella saw a previous video I did fixing one of these and decided to reach out and see if I could do the same. So let's take a look at it. I have seen multiples of these on sale on places like eBay because the face falls in. So, come on, focus up. You can see there the bracing on this. So apparently it is a kind of a defect. When the face is out full and it's a great sounding instrument. The one that I picked up a couple years ago, I played for a couple weeks and somebody heard it and was like, I've got to have it. I was like, okay. So we made a barter deal and swapped out some instruments. I had some instruments to tinker with and work on. Some of them are still in the back of the shop. So what's going to happen is I'll take a dowel. I still have some dowel left over. I need to get more, but I'll take this dowel. I'll put it in here and reinforce the face. Get it fluffed up again, and this dowel, and put it right there by that bracing. Right here underneath where the bridge goes, just like you would see in a violin body that has that that bracing bar there underneath the bridge, and the name of it eludes me at the moment. So I don't anticipate this will take long. First thing I'll do, of course, is take off the strings. Right now I'm just going to say wow. Just getting the strings loosened and laying down the bridge, this is actually going to be quite easy. Look at that. The face has fluffed right back up in place. And if I can show it, look at goodness. Let's see if I can get this in focus. Can you see that front bracing? I don't know if it's showing very well, but that, I mean, you can see me push down and that front bracing moves forward. So, I mean, if the top could come off very, very easily, a person could re-glue the front bracing. Let me see. I think I saw it on both sides, but I might not be able to show it with finger grip in the way. Yeah. Finger guard there. So I'm going to remove the finger guard, and we'll put in these bracings, and like in my other videos, they will go from back to front. One of the things that also noticed is you don't notice it so much in the electric variation of playing the instrument, but in the acoustic variation of playing the instrument, these act as they carry the music throughout the entire instrument. A little resonation. There's a good word for the day. All right, let me go get a Phillips screwdriver and pull off the pick guard. Okay, I've got the blue painter's tape in place to protect the little F-holes here. I like using this. It's low tack, and it gives me a level of protection when I stick my tools in there to not go scratching up the face of the instrument. And I have this in place to try and allow me a little light on the inside. So one time a person asked me, how do I cut the dowels? And this is pretty much it. It's a little copper tubing pipe cutter, and I just usually with 2 hands, but give it a little twist, tighten it up, little twist, and then when I get to a point where I can just break it off nice and cleanly, move it over and run it over on the sandpaper, and then I have an appropriate sized dowel. Okay, then we are done. I've put a little dollop of glue at the bottom to keep it so when a person does the string changes, the post won't fall over. And now you can see the post is in line with the bridge itself on both sides. And now when the instrument comes up to tension, the face of the instrument won't flatten in. It's got some pretty good action. It's a lot like the action on the one that I worked on a couple years ago. Really liked that instrument. So I hope that this fix is thoroughly enjoyed. Let's get it ready and see if we can play it. Well, the instrument is up to tune. And the face is holding nicely. We've got, it's not flattened in anymore. The action is really nice. I had to adjust this just a little bit because up here at the high ends it was buzzing. But when I got it, it was all way adjusted really high. And so let's spin this way. And there's a look at that post. The other post is a little closer to the F-hole, but I put it right up against the bracing that's not doing its job. So the next thing is to go ahead and reinstall the clip, the pick guard, and this instrument is done. I am happy to show off the instrument and that it's in tune. This is just a strap I had lying around to use it, get it in approximately the right spot. And oh well. My wife suggests I add a little FaceTime at the end of the video. So I really enjoyed working on this. I enjoyed the opportunity to work on someone else's instrument. So thank you for that. And I guess I have a post office box, so I'll put that information in the description. And if you want to get in touch, write to the post office box, or leave a comment, or send a message. We recently hit 1,000 subscribers. I just do this for fun, so that was kind of like YouTube start like getting in touch with me saying, you've got 1,000 subscribers, you can do all sorts of weird and interesting things that I have to learn now. And so I'm kind of having fun with it a little more fun, making a little more time to messing around, doing some do-it-yourself work on instruments, and I will be doing some work on some cars in the future. I have a few small projects I need to do on my Chevy Suburban, so I'll walk you through some of that. Those have had some good hits and some positive likes and a lot of views in the past. So thank you for watching. I appreciate you spending your time, and I hope you enjoy the video. Take care. Bye.